Good morning, good morning, good morning. What is going on, mate? There we go. Locked and loaded, brother. Locked and loaded. Man, I woke up this morning and I thought, dude, I just need to work. I don't feel like gymming. My body's a bit sore. And obviously the sun helps us wake up, right? We can't be waking up to blue light. But what I want to talk to you about this morning is this channel is going to be monetized, right? The intention is to make some money. And last year I delved in heaps of different businesses, right? So the biggest part of business and the learning of it last year was videography, social media management, content creation, and mindset coaching. It feels like I've done, well, I have done basically an internship worth of study and business, and I've applied more skills than I have if I were to be doing a traineeship or some uni course or degree, right? So I'm really grateful for that. The back end of last year, fell off the bandwagon with it all, and it just wasn't a priority. Felt burnt out. I just took it too far, mate. Took it too far. So where I'm going with this is I believe I have the knowledge to start an agency. I believe I have the knowledge to go and pursue the mindset coaching again, 100%. But the truth, and it's something that I really don't want to admit, but I just don't feel confident in it. I don't believe in myself, which is the number one thing what I would teach clients. You got to believe in yourself. But I don't want to teach other people something that I am not that good at the moment, right? No point trying to, yeah, I can help you understand frameworks and understand all of this, understand life. And it is the thing that I'm learning and I'm struggling to wouldn't say perfect, but actually integrate completely into my life. So as a base level, what I'm going to build and what I'm actually going to show you this morning is a bit of the plan. And not all of it. I don't like sharing all my goals, mate. But what I'm going to share is the vision for this channel, dude. And the start of it is basically going to be a really simple drop shipping brand, okay? Clothing store. Happy days, mate. It's something that I've done before, that the systems and the back end is simple. The marketing is simple. The process of it is all simple. Doesn't mean it's easy, but it's simple. I know how to do it. So what I'm going to do is use my personal brand as basically the vehicle to start sharing this brand while showcasing how I'm building it. It's something that is very common nowadays on YouTube, I think. People are like, this is the 30-day challenge of making 10 grand a month. It's like, okay, cool story, man. So I don't want to be like that. I know it has its place. I'm here to just share me, what I go through, who I am, and integrate that with a brand. It's a good morning this morning. So we'll chuck in some music, chuck in some tunes, bro, and start working the plan. I'll see you soon. So, mate, we're going to keep this really simple, short and sweet. Right, this. Happy days, happy days, happy days. So, the idea, well, this brand's been around for ages, mate. Actually, it's this shirt right here. SYKT, brother. SYKT. Think better, be better. And that was what I started creating back in the day when I wanted to create a brand. Instead of creating a personal brand, my old school mind thought I needed to create a brand that was separate from me. Makes sense. It is a way of doing it. But now, of course, delving into, well, going all in with videography and content creation, social media management, organic marketing last year, and still doing a fair bit of that now, I decided and realized, hey, you got to have a personal brand. So I'm going to show you what I'm up to. Alright, so we're going to jump over here to Safari. I'm going to open up, actually, we're going to open up Notion instead. Notion is absolutely epic. I love it. Sick, we're on Website Hub. So at this current stage, we want to focus on 3 tasks: Shopify setup, product development, and marketing prep. Shopify, I've just got to integrate all the things. Currently running on a hotspot. Mind me if this takes a little bit of time, but it is what it is. So as we can see here, we're going to jump over. We've got products. Happy days. I've got to connect these all over to Printful. But overall, as you can see, we've got really basic t-shirts. But now what we want to focus on more is to start looking at ideas for, well, the style, the vibe. Aesthetics, I suck at it. I suck at colors, I'll be honest. But what I'd like to kind of style the brand as, so there we go, view board. That's it. So adventure, it's luxe, gym, and the whole purpose of it, as we can see right here, is more than a clothing brand, a movement to raise awareness and empowerment through bold, impactful statements. That color gold needs editing. Overall, we want to empower men. That's a little bit cliche. Think better, be better was the old school brand. Cool. So overall, man, this is the start of it, and I'm keen to share more. We can look at goals here, but the vision going forward is really to have a brand that targets men, of course. And when we are targeting blokes using my personal brand, it's going to do with mental health. Instead of just having a brand that's all about, we've got to make money. No, mate. Like, we're here to help the humans, here to start a conversation and have some clean, sexy t-shirts. Something that you can wear at the gym as well as wear casually. I'm excited to just share this building process. And for me, the reason why I'm even starting this is because I know I can do it. It's something really simple, something really basic that I'm confident about. And this is part of the rebuilding phase, dude. This is part of the rebuilding phase. So it's time to get back to work, mate. I hope you have a great day, a great night. And let's think better and be better, hey? Time to build, mate. Ladies.